Over 50% of European citizens live in rural areas. They occupy over 90% of Europe's territory and contribute 43% of Europe's gross value. And yet, despite their importance, the specific energy needs of rural communities are often not taken into consideration by politicians and regulators when writing energy policy.
The capacity of the rural areas to generate their own energy and to be sustainable energy-wise is crucial for the development of those areas and for the future of Europe.
The Future of Rural Energy in Europe initiative, FREE, gives a voice to all those who believe that rural energy needs are important issues, both for those who live in the countryside and for European society as a whole. FREE wants to make sure that policymakers acknowledge the true energy potential of Europe's rural areas. The FREE initiative was founded by SHV Gas, an independent Dutch energy company, specialising in supplying lower carbon energy solutions to rural communities, and is supported by a range of organisations united in their commitment to realising the potential of rural communities through greater energy choice. FREE is a partner to the Sustainable Energy Europe campaign, initiated by the European Commission. Rural communities have different energy needs and have a reduced and more costly choice than their urban equivalents. Rural individuals generally have a larger carbon footprint than people living in cities and need greater access to cleaner energy choices.
2/3 of the population is spread over 60 different hamlets. That is, the population is not concentrated in one area, which would allow for economies of scale. Our challenge is to provide an energy infrastructure that can reach our citizens, spread over a high number of smaller villages.
People living in the more remote parts of Europe rarely have access to the natural gas grid, and the electricity supply can be unreliable and hugely inefficient. As a consequence, they often have to rely on relatively high carbon solid and liquid fuels, which are being used with ageing technologies. Moreover, rural homes use, on average, more energy because of the building type and poor insulation.
Of the 56% of the EU population who live in rural areas, 30 million households have very limited energy choices. They are off-grid, with no access to natural gas, and in many cases not even to electricity. A majority of them probably never will.
The European Union has ambitious energy and climate targets for cleaner use and less energy consumption. Rural communities have a decisive role to play in reaching these targets. These policies require regulation which meets the needs of rural communities and encourages them to champion energy efficiency at a domestic and commercial level. Europe is defining its energy future today, and policymakers have to make rural energy an integral part of policies to make Europe cleaner, cohesive, and livable for citizens in the countryside and cities.
If we talk about cohesion policies in Europe, the energy is crucial. We can't imagine Europe developing its rural areas if the cost of energy is higher than in other areas.
Rural energy has to be at the heart of Europe's energy strategy, creating a level playing field for lower carbon, high efficiency energy solutions, including renewable partnership technologies. Therefore, incentives with regard to energy efficiency and the adoption of lower carbon energy solutions are required, and the promotion of decentralised, local, cleaner energy production through modern energy-efficient technology applications such as micro-CHP, small-scale combined heat and power production, should be among the priorities for rural energy policy. Here, consumers in the countryside can make a real difference for a cleaner environment.
Convince local communities, in particular in rural areas, that renewable energy will be for their benefit. Locally generated power for local communities is the start.
Acknowledging the specific energy needs of rural communities and creating a regulatory framework that will maximise the potential of renewable energy and lower carbon energy will contribute to creating a better future for rural energy in Europe.